Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in your TikTok account, you see an error that your account was permanently banned. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you just have to simply go back from here, and the very first thing I recommend you have to try to connect with the stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then open your app store and here go for search and search for TikTok. And you just have to try to update your app to prevent any kind of issue. So once you have updated, simply go to your TikTok app and here just have in your profile option in the bottom right, and then tab on the three horizontal lines in the top right. Just scroll down and look for the option of help center. So there's no any direct way to recover your suspended or your banned account. So you just have to try to report a problem and you have to try to send appeal to TikTok support team. So now to do that, you have to simply select help center from here and then select the see more option under account section. Select this, then select login, and here just have a report a problem. And here on this page, you just have to try to report a problem. So select any topic. Let's say I'm gonna select account access or security, then select a category. So you have to select ban account. And here you have to try to enter your account username. So very first you have to enter this sign which is at the rate, then enter your username, then you have to add your contact email address. So you just have to enter an email address on which TikTok will inform you after reviewing your this support or your report. So once I've done, just enter some additional details. So you just have to try to appeal from TikTok support team for the violation of guidelines, and after that you just have to request that TikTok allow you to use your TikTok account, and after that you can also try to upload any screenshot of your banned account if you have, and here you have to also check these boxes, then tap on the submit option. So once you have submitted your request and your report, TikTok will review your report and it will reply you in up to 24 hours, and after that it will inform you how can you easily recover your TikTok account. So in this way you can easily recover your banned TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.